Ready?
Yeah. Hi guys.
Hi everybody and welcome to another video of the Giant Italian. Today we are gonna unbox our portable outdoor sink. First of all, I wanna thank Carmen for helping me in this unboxing, this video. That's the beautiful Carmen. Say hi.
Hi.
Yes. And let's go. So if you're an outdoor person, if you go camping, this thing is perfect for you. We go camping. We love to go camping.
It's so much fun.
Oh, it's so much fun. We love it so much. And that's why this year we decided to upgrade our camping site.
Because we have 2 dogs.
And 2 dogs. So we bought our portable toilet and now we also have a portable sink. All right. Let's go ahead and start unboxing this thing.
This is for because we use so much water.
Yes. This is actually like you're gonna use less water with a portable sink. So this product we bought it from Amazon. Okay, Carmen, please take it out. Let's see what's inside.
So,
First thing, what is that?
it is the sink.
This is the sink itself. Right, let's put it
And
away.
there's the like soap.
Yep. Okay, next is the stand. And next we have
The main part.
the base with wheels and with the pump. See? Yeah. And this is a foot pump. So when it's full of water, you press with your foot here, and the water comes through this pipe. You have to use your foot up to the sink and out of the tub. Now let's see what else is here. Little bit of plumbing and the instruction. Say hi to the camera, Chico. Hi everybody. I'm gonna try to put it together now, this one. All right. So I guess first thing we're gonna screw the stand right here. And this one will lock. Yeah. In place like this. See? Okay. Sorry, Chico. Now I didn't read the instructions, so I hope I'm not gonna make some mistake. But like it's pretty straightforward, so it shouldn't be hard to put together. There are a few rings here. 1 and 2. For this. Yes, Carmen? You had to come here if you want to say something. Yeah.
I just wanted to say, thank you for the person that built this.
The stand, the sink has 2 holes here. It just pops in. 1 and 2. Like that. Now my advice would be to have first this popped in with this one together and then to screw everything together there. But this one I think you can put like this and you put a towel to wipe your hands when you're done. It is smart, super smart. Then here we have the pipe that goes from the sink to the tank for the dirty water. Now, as I say, we also have a portable toilet, and I saw some video that is actually very smart, that you can connect this one with the toilet, and when you wash your hands, the water, the dirty water is gonna go inside your toilet. Pretty smart, right? Look at this. This is for the soap. Right there. For the soap. And last but not least, you have your tap. And then put the tap inside and push everything back in. And here you have it. This is your portable sink. This is the cap for the tank. Just like that.
And here is the portable sink.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you for watching.
Let's put some water. Basically what you have to do, you have to pump here. Okay.
Wait, I don't think I'm. Okay.
Yeah, from this side. More. This product, like we bought from Amazon, is called, the company is called
Hike Crew.
Hike Crew. And it says that holds up to 5 gallons of water. So like it's pretty big tank for what you need it. Or 17 liter if you go in liter. It's pretty light.
Oh, and
Yeah.
we also got
Yes.
a tank for something else.
Yeah, maybe maybe we're gonna do later on. We're gonna do a video with all the setup of our camping in our bag, so you see how we're gonna go camping. Right? For now, like we were very excited for this new addition to our campsite. I really like it. I really love it. Water works very fine. Okay. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching our video, and I hope you like it. You subscribe to our channel, and you share this video. And hopefully, you're gonna enjoy your camping season.
Bye.
Ciao.